get ready to dive into the world of life and health insurance with exciting, beginner-friendly training that will give you the knowledge and confidence to succeed as a future agent.
This course is designed as a supplementary educational tool to help future agents better understand and absorb materials covered by qualified trainers in preparation for the California Life Health Insurance Licensing exam. This is not intended to substitute the required 52-hour pre-licensing course mandated by the California Department of Insurance. All participants must complete the official 52-hour course from a certified provider to meet the licensing requirements. This supplementary course serves only as an additional resource to reinforce learning and comprehension of the key topics in life and health insurance.
Session 2, Life Insurance. Chapter 9, Individual Underwriting, Pricing, and Claims. Slide 1. What is underwriting? Master these terms. Underwriting. The process insurers use to assess risk and determine whether to issue a policy. Goal. Ensure that premiums accurately reflect the risk of insuring an individual. Description. Underwriting is a critical part of the life insurance process. It involves evaluating an applicant's risk factors, such as age, health, occupation, and lifestyle, to determine whether the insurer should issue a policy and at what premium. The goal of underwriting is to ensure that the premiums charged accurately reflect the level of risk the insurer is taking on. As agents, it's important to explain to clients that underwriting helps ensure that coverage is affordable while protecting the insurer from undue risk. By understanding underwriting, clients will appreciate how their personal circumstances affect their premiums. Slide 2. Risk classification. Master these terms. Preferred risk, excellent health, non-smoker, lower premiums. Standard risk, average health and lifestyle, average premiums. Substandard risk, higher risk due to health or lifestyle, higher premiums. Description. During the underwriting process, individuals are classified into risk categories that determine their premium rates. The preferred risk category is for individuals in excellent health with low-risk lifestyles, typically leading to lower premiums. Those in standard risk represent the average population in terms of health and lifestyle, and they pay average premiums. Finally, substandard risk is for individuals with higher risks due to medical conditions, smoking, or other factors leading to higher premiums. Understanding these classifications helps clients see how their health and lifestyle choices affect their insurance costs. Slide 3. Factors that influence underwriting. Master these terms. Key factors: age, gender, health history, smoking status, occupation, hobbies. Medical exam may be required to assess the applicant's health. Description. Several key factors influence the underwriting process, including age, gender, health history, smoking status, occupation, and hobbies. For example, younger individuals generally pay lower premiums, while smokers and those with hazardous occupations may face higher premiums. In many cases, insurers will require a medical exam to assess the applicant's health. This exam typically includes basic health checks, such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and is used to identify any potential health risks. As an agent, it's important to help clients understand that these factors are evaluated to ensure that their coverage is appropriately priced based on their personal risk profile. Slide 4. Medical Information Bureau, MIB. Master these terms. Medical Information Bureau, MIB. A database that insurers use to access applicants' medical information. Purpose: helps prevent fraud and identify inconsistencies in the applicant's health information. Description: the Medical Information Bureau, MIB, is a database used by insurance companies to access medical information about applicants. The MIB collects data from previous insurance applications to help identify inconsistencies or missing information. Its purpose is to reduce the risk of fraud and ensure that insurers have accurate health information when evaluating applicants. It's important to reassure clients that the MIB doesn't store detailed medical records but flags issues that may require further investigation. By understanding how the MIB works, clients can feel more confident in the underwriting process and ensure their information is accurate. Slide 5. Pricing life insurance. Master these terms. Mortality tables, used by insurers to estimate life expectancy and set premium rates. Premium factors includes the insured's risk classification, coverage amount, and policy type. Description. Life insurance pricing is based on several factors, with mortality tables playing a key role. Mortality tables are statistical charts that estimate life expectancy based on factors like age and gender. Insurers use these tables to assess the likelihood of an insured's death during the policy term and set premiums accordingly. Other factors include the insured's risk classification, the amount of coverage they're seeking, and the type of policy, whether it's term or permanent life insurance. As agents, it's essential to help clients understand how these factors impact their premiums and ensure they choose a policy that fits both their budget and coverage needs. Slide 6. Premium components. Master these terms. Mortality charge covers the cost of providing the death benefit. Expense load covers the insurer's operating costs. Investment component, applicable for permanent life insurance policies where part of the premium is invested. Description. Premiums for life insurance policies are made up of three main components: the mortality charge, the expense load, and, in the case of permanent policies, an investment component. The mortality charge covers the cost of paying the death benefit, while the expense load covers the insurer's operating costs, such as underwriting, commissions, and administrative expenses. For permanent policies, part of the premium is invested to build cash value, providing a savings element. By breaking down these components, you can help clients understand exactly what they're paying for and how their premium is allocated. Slide 7. Claims process. Master these terms. Filing a claim. Beneficiaries must submit a death certificate and claim form to receive the death benefit. Insurer's responsibility. Insurers are required to pay claims promptly, typically within 30 to 60 days. Description. The life insurance claims process is straightforward but important to understand. When the insured passes away, the beneficiaries must submit a death certificate and a completed claim form to the insurance company. Once the insurer receives this documentation, they are legally required to pay the claim within a reasonable period, typically 30 to 60 days. Delays can occur if there are discrepancies or if additional information is needed, but insurers are generally motivated to process claims quickly. As agents, you'll play a key role in helping beneficiaries through this process, ensuring they understand the steps involved and receive the benefits they're entitled to without unnecessary delays. Slide 8. Contestability period. Master these terms. Contestability period. A 2-year period during which the insurer can investigate and deny claims due to misrepresentation, fraud, and misrepresentation. Claims may be denied if fraud is discovered during the contestability period. Description. All life insurance policies include a contestability period, typically lasting 2 years from the date the policy is issued. During this time, the insurer has the right to investigate claims and deny them if there was misrepresentation or fraud on the application. For example, if the insured failed to disclose a serious health condition, the insurer may refuse to pay the death benefit. After the contestability period ends, the insurer can no longer contest the policy for misrepresentation, except in cases of outright fraud. It's crucial to explain this period to clients and encourage them to provide accurate information during the application process to avoid issues with claims later on. Slide 9. Suicide clause. Master these terms. Suicide clause. If the insured commits suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, no death benefit is paid. Refund of premiums. The insurer typically refunds the premiums paid if suicide occurs during the exclusion period. Description. Life insurance policies include a suicide clause, which excludes payment of the death benefit if the insured commits suicide within the first 2 years of the policy. In this case, the insurer will typically refund the premiums paid, but will not pay the death benefit. After the 2-year period, the death benefit will be paid, even if suicide is the cause of death. This clause is designed to prevent individuals from purchasing life insurance with the intent of using it for financial gain through suicide. As agents, it's important to help clients understand this clause and the exclusions it imposes during the early years of the policy. Slide 10. Fraudulent claims. Master these terms. Fraudulent claims. Insurers can deny claims at any time if fraud is discovered, even after the contestability period. Consequences. Fraudulent claims can result in policy cancellation, legal action, and denial of benefits. Description. While the contestability period limits the insurer's ability to deny claims due to misrepresentation after 2 years, fraud is an exception. Insurers can deny claims at any time if fraud is discovered, even after the contestability period has ended. Fraudulent claims can lead to severe consequences, including policy cancellation, denial of benefits, and even legal action against the claimant or the policyholder's estate. It's crucial to emphasize to clients the importance of honesty when applying for life insurance to avoid complications for their beneficiaries and potential legal risks. This completes Chapter 9, Individual Underwriting, Pricing and Claims of Session 2, Life Insurance. Coming next, Session 3, Life Policy Riders.
Great job. Great job completing this session. Let's keep momentum going, jump into the next session, and continue your journey to becoming a top-notch life and health insurance agent.